Hello everyone, welcome to this video which is part of our playlist Python for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if Python is installed on your PC and how you can execute Python syntax directly in command line. And then after that, I will show you how to create Python file and execute that Python file using CMD. So let's jump into it. I'm using Notepad here. You may choose to use any other code editor or IDE which is available to you. So to check if Python is installed on a Windows PC, you need to go to your command prompt and then you write Python dash dash version. So you go to the search box as I'm doing now, write CMD and then press enter. It will open up CMD for you. So you write Python, then space dash dash, then version, then you press enter. You see Python 3.12.9, which means Python 3 is installed on my PC. So that is it. And it is possible to execute Python directly in command line. But before that, I would like to say that if you have written Python, then dash dash version, and then you got an error, it means that Python is not installed on your machine. So you need to download it online, install it, then you will be able to use Python now. So I'll provide a link in the description. Make sure you check it, then you download it, or you can directly search from Google Python download for PC. Then you'll be able to download Python. After you install Python, make sure you add it to your variable environment so that you can be able to use it in command prompt. So let's move to the next step, which is to execute Python syntax directly in command line. So again, let me search CMD, press enter, then I will write Python. That's what you need to do, write Python, then you press enter. You get an environment where you can write your Python syntax and execute it. So for example, I write print, then hello all. Then I press enter. You see it is executed. Hello all is printed. I can also do some calculation. Print 10 plus 5. So I press enter. You get 15. That is it. So if you want to execute, to exit, you write exit, then you will be able to exit from that space. That is it. We will move to the next step, which is to create a file, Python file, write code inside that file, and then execute it. Actually, this is a Python file here, and you can see um, all those lines are inside the file. But when I will execute, they will not be executed because they are comments. I use hashtags here, as you can see at the beginning of each line, which tells Python that this is a comment, so don't execute it, and it will not be executed. So don't worry about these ones. They are comments, they will not be executed. So we are going to write our code inside this file and then execute it. You have to open a new file and then make sure you save it. Go to file and then save as. Make sure you select all files, and then the name should be .py. Make sure you add .py to it so that it will save it as a Python file for you. I'm not going to do that because I've already saved my file. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So here we go. We're going to write our code here. Print hello all. Then can add the second line, which is print, then 10 plus 5. We are going to get the result as 15. So basically what we are going to do is that we want to print hello world, and also we want to print the result of 10 plus 5. So use Control S to save it. Then now you need to locate the folder in which you have saved your file. You see, so if you created a folder named Python for Beginners, and whatever file name you have given to your file, in this case, for example, if you use fundamentals.py, then you are going to use it to execute your file. So you locate the folder, and then from the folder you open CMD. I'm going to show you in a second. So once you open CMD, then you can write Python, then the file name followed by .py to run your file. And once you do that, you will see that your file will be executed, and you will see hello world as well as the result of our operation here, which will be 15. So let's open my folder here where my file is. I come up here, then I write CMD. I press enter. You see, I got it here. Then I will write Python, then fundamentals.py. You see, it is executed. I got hello world, and then the result of our operation, which is 15. Very simple. So that's how you can create a file, a Python file, and then execute it using command prompt. So make sure Python is installed on your computer, and then yeah, make use of some comments to make your code cleaner, and it will also help you to remember some parts of the code. So as you are learning, it is good practice to use comments in your code, and then it will make your life easier, and those that will be reading your code will understand it easier. So thank you for your attention, and make sure you practice, because only practice makes perfect.